Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special guest, my grandson Asen. We're going to let him start a fire, bushcraft style, with a ferro rod, and start teaching him a little bit about bushcraft and get the kids out in the woods and stuff like that. So stick around. You ready? Huh? Yeah. Alrighty. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're breaking sticks for the fire, right? Okay. Come on, you can do it.
I can't move it.
Put it on the log right here. Put it on the rock. No. Put it on the rock right here. Let me step on it right there.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Throw us some mat out here. Sit on. Or to kneel on. Watch out. Alright. So what we're going to do first?
Like this thing?
Alright. You got the sticks broke up?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's that? This one?
Hand me some small size. We'll lay these down here on the bottom. Give me some of these other bigger ones.
Okay, hold on.
Alright. Now the reason you do this is to keep your fire up off the wet ground, because it's a little damp, okay? Alright, now hand me a bunch of the little ones. Stack them right here beside you. You don't have to break them that small. Now we done collected up a little bit of wood. We're gonna use a fire starter instead of trying to do a bird's nest, because we ain't got the material around here to do a bird's nest.
That's yours.
Yep.
Why am I going to use it?
Let's see what we got in here. That's fat wood.
Papa.
What?
Do you want me to go get my other piece? Because I can just use the...
Your other what?
Well, I can go get this and I can use a different one to strike it with.
I think we'll try these little quick tenders here to get him started with today. Alrighty, you got enough. Come on.
I'm just breaking.
Alrighty. Hold on, let me move the camera so they can get a good look at you.
I know if I can do it with yours. You ready?
Nope, hold on.
Tell me when you're ready.
Alrighty, go ahead. Turn it around to where it's already struck. Right there. Almost.
Hold on.
What'd I tell you? Aim right here. Can you get a little closer? There you go. It's burning. There you go. Good job. Now we'll take some of our little sticks here, the little bitty ones. Put them on, get a handful of them.
About that much?
Yep. Throw them on top of it. No, just set it like down here like this. Throw some more on top of it. There you go. Alright, slow down a little bit.
Okay, I'll let them burn.
Good job. That's his first fire starting with Pawpaw. You put too much on it, it's gonna kill it out. You gotta let that get going good first.
Put this leaf on it. Actually, this one.
Now, like I said, some of this wood we found is pretty damp, so I think this was the best way to get him into it. Don't touch it. It'll go. And next time, we're going to redo the shelter behind us. So I'm going to do a little series with the grandson, Bushcraft with kids. There'll be a little short series, hopefully, you know. Do a little bit of cooking, shelter building, fire starting.
Wait, today?
No, not today. This is today's video. Alright, say goodbye.
Bye.
Have fun.
Have fun.